welcome to the 50,000 subscriber giveaway right here on United by Trucks. If you don't know what we're talking about, a couple of weeks ago we announced a giveaway with Tejas Steelworks, Auto Metal Direct, UBT, and now Trick Manufacturing. You know, they're the guys that manufacture those awesome quick and easy latches. They're called the Altman Easy Latch. Super quiet and definitely keep your door a little more secure on your classic truck. They've joined the giveaway too. So we're announcing that we're adding another company, another product to the giveaway, but we're also announcing the winners. Finally, I know, it's been a little too long. All that said, we're gonna jump in right now. We've got a list of 400 plus entries on this particular giveaway, which we're pretty excited about. It's the most we've ever had enter a giveaway. And we ask you to comment on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, and you guys have done it. So we're gonna jump into this Excel spreadsheet. I've already got the order all randomized, and we're gonna go over to the Google random number generator, select 4 winners, not 3, but 4. And the first winner will get to choose which product between Trick Manufacturing, Altman Easy Latch, Tejas Steelworks, which is all your LS square body parts, Auto Metal Direct, all your sheet metal needs for almost any classic, especially trucks, and then UBT gear. So we'll have $100 or so worth of UBT gear that you can select from too. We're gonna start off with the first winner being able to choose from those 4. The second winner will be able to choose from the 3 that are left. The third winner will be able to choose from the 2 that are left, and the fourth winner will be able to choose, or actually have it chosen for them by the other 3 winners. So I'm really excited about this. This is obviously being done in appreciation for all that you've done for UBT and me and our group of friends that work on these trucks and do these road trips and, you know, just basically help support us at shows. So really appreciate you guys so much. So let's just jump in right now and select those 4 winners. Here we go. Okay, so you can see we've got the Google random number generator brought up. We type in our parameters, so 1 and 426. Then we're gonna generate the first number. This will be for the 4th place winner. 315. So let's go to our Excel spreadsheet, and 315 is, oh man, I feel like this is rigged. My buddy Jamie, C10 Leon. Let's check out who is gonna be the 3rd place winner. 269. Yeah, it's funny, I've gotten to know so many of you guys. TJ Gannon. That's pretty cool. TJ Gannon, you're the 3rd place winner. All right, let's jump over to random number generator. Whoa, 273. Brian Butts, the owner of one really killer low mileage square body that Brian Harrison helped him build. So Brian Butts, you're the number 2 winner for the giveaway. And for the 1st place winner, number 284, which is Got Boost. All right. Okay, so we've got the winners all laid out. Really happy about this. I'm gonna show you this while I call them out. So 4th place winner, C10 Leon. 3rd place winner, TJ Gannon. 2nd place winner, Brian Butts. 1st place winner, Got Boost. All you guys have to do is email unitedbytrucks@gmail.com. Obviously the ones I know I'll go ahead and reach out to, but none of this works without the 1st place winner choosing first between Tejas Steelworks, Trick Manufacturing, Auto Metal Direct, or UBT gear. So once the 1st place winner, in this instance Got Boost, selects something off of that list, then the 2nd place winner, in this case Brian Butts, will be able to choose, then TJ Gannon, and then C10 Leon. Obviously Jamie can choose what's left over. Big thanks to you guys. I just have to say thank you so much for all the support over the last year and a half. We're looking toward bigger things. We've got some great things coming down the pike. And even though 2020 has been a strange year, we haven't been in the garage as much, we haven't been doing as much wrenching just because of COVID, and we're all spread out across the state and the metro Atlanta area. We just hadn't been doing as much. However, we're getting back to doing more. We're gonna be wrenching some more. We're gonna have some more projects. You're gonna see us in the shop. You're gonna see us in driveways and in garages. And we've got like 8 videos on deck to bring out to you guys. So just get ready. UBT isn't going anywhere. We're gonna have a lot of fun. And in fact, we're on the Get Out and Drive podcast tonight. So you'll be able to check out a cool interview with those guys on the Get Out and Drive podcast, probably sometime in the next week or two. I don't really know exactly when, but I'll be on there tonight with them. Really looking forward to it. Appreciate all you guys so much. That's gonna conclude it for this 50,000 subscriber giveaway video. Congrats to all the winners. Cue the music.